Welcome to Prairie Royal Estates, and we're on 4 acres 15 minutes away from Cross Iron Mills, and it starts out here on your private deck with at least half a dozen dedicated outdoor living spaces. Inside, a beautifully updated home, and wait until you see the end. Let's go inside. It starts in the kitchen, which has been fully renovated with granite counters, a full suite of stainless appliances, a corner pantry, and then the rest of the home features all of the traditional features you're looking for in your growing family's home.
In the past we were contagious. I wish we had healed us.
And no matter what your job or your hobbies, this workshop will hold all of your toys.